There are 4 things that you need to do if you're thinking about purchasing a home with a mortgage. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to check your credit and make sure it's up to par. Different lenders have different standards and different minimums as far as how much credit you should have. Some people say 600, some say 630, some say 650. It all ranges. It also depends on the type of loan that you're getting. However, the best thing that you can do for yourself is to make sure that if you have any debt, that you begin paying it down, knowing that you're going to be purchasing a home at some time in the near future. This will help you as well with your debt to income ratio, which really matters once it's time to close down your loan. It can help you in making sure that you don't have to bring as much cash to the table. It can also help with how much you're actually paying in mortgage payments. So pay down that debt. Number 2, create a budget for yourself and stick to it. You want to make sure that not only you're not creating new debt for yourself, but also that you are starting to build a savings. You're going to need money for your down payments and closing costs, okay? So make sure that you are starting to put money to the side and you're allocating that money towards the money that you'll need at the closing table. Number 3, you need to get pre-approved for your home. This is not punishment. This is to ensure that we are staying within your budget range. Some people might like looking at $500,000 and $1 million homes, but they can only afford $250,000, $300,000 homes. And that's not a problem. However, it is a waste of time to go out looking at homes that you cannot afford or get approved for, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is get pre-approved with a lender. Now, when it comes to selecting your lender, you want to make sure that that lender actually takes the steps to pre-approve you. A lot of lenders have quotas and they'll send you a letter saying, yes, you're pre-approved, but they have not even pulled your W-2s. They haven't looked at your check stubs. They haven't looked at your bank account statements. They haven't looked at anything financially that will actually verify your income. So you want to work with a lender who actually truly verifies you and knows what they're doing before you even get to that process. Trust me, there are times that people have had a pre-approval from a lender that was not an actual pre-approval, and it has cost them a lot of money because they had to then go find another lender who can approve them. So don't put yourself in that situation. Get the pre-approval first, a real pre-approval. And the 4th thing that you want to do is you want to work with a realtor who you can trust and have a relationship with. Purchasing a home is a transaction like no other, okay? It is a process that takes at least a month to finish in most cases. It is a time when we get to know every single detail about you and your family, your situation, things you're going through, etc., because it is such a personal experience. You want to work with a realtor not only who is skilled and can explain to you what the home buying process is like, but who you can also trust to give your feelings and express yourself with, and who you can trust to call at any time and tell them, okay, well, this is my situation now, what can we do? It's almost like a friendship. You need to be able to have a conversation with that person and to be received well, and you want to feel comfortable with them. So find a realtor who not only knows what they're doing, but that you can feel comfortable with. That is very important. Well, those are the 4 things that you should do before you go into purchasing a home. I hope you found those useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments. And if you'd like to schedule a consultation, please feel free to reach me in the DMs. I'm always happy to respond. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.